Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to make brownies decoration. First, gather all your essential tools and ingredients such as frosting, sprinkles, and piping bags. Next, ensure your baked brownies are completely cooled to prevent any melting or smudging of your decorations. Finally, consider the specific occasion or theme to inspire your decorating choices, whether it's a birthday, holiday, or just a sweet treat for yourself. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable decorating experience for everyone. Now, let's explore some easy frosting techniques to elevate your brownies. Begin by spreading a smooth, even layer of your chosen buttercream or ganache across the entire surface. An offset spatula works wonderfully for achieving a professional and clean finish with minimal effort. For simple yet effective designs, use a basic piping bag with a round or star tip to create charming swirls, delicate stars, or fun zigzag patterns. These steps add a beautiful base for further embellishments. Next, let's get creative with toppings and drizzles to make your brownies truly stand out. Sprinkle colorful nonpareils, rainbow sprinkles, or delicate chocolate shavings for an appealing texture and a pop of fun. For an elegant touch, drizzle melted white or dark chocolate in decorative, artistic patterns across the frosted surface. You can also arrange fresh berries, such as raspberries or blueberries, chopped nuts, or even edible flowers for a beautiful, natural touch. These additions add both flavor and visual appeal. Finally, for those looking to take their brownie decoration to the next level, consider these advanced ideas. Create intricate patterns by using stencils and a light dusting of powdered sugar or cocoa powder. For an exceptionally elegant presentation, carefully add edible gold leaf or delicate, handcrafted sugar flowers. Experiment with various piping tips, such as a basket weave or petal tip, to achieve diverse and unique designs. With a little practice, you can transform your brownies into true works of edible art for any special occasion.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.